Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video request on how to put on your lace front wig. So this is the wig I'm going to be putting on today. Okay, it's by Outer Lace Front, and that's the color right there. It's a L-shaped lace front, or L-shaped parting, sorry. Okay, so this is the package it came in. I think I paid about $50 for it. And this is the wig. Alright, so the first thing you do is cornrow your hair all back. If you don't know how to cornrow your hair, you can get somebody to cornrow it for you, or if you can't find anybody to cornrow it for you, you can put your hair back in a ponytail like how I just did mine. Mine is put back in a ponytail. So it doesn't matter if your hair is long or short, just put your hair back in a ponytail and bring it down. My hair is short right here, so that's why my ponytail ends right there. Okay. Alright, so once you put your hair back in the ponytail, then you get your weave cap. They usually give it to you for free when you buy your wig at the beauty supply store. So you just put it on over it. Cover your head with your weave cap. Then you take your lace front wig. Usually, this is the inside. Okay. Look, see, this is the lace. Usually it's longer. Mine was already cut at the beauty supply store that I purchased it from. So the person that works there helped me to cut it. So you just cut along the line. I don't know if you can see it. So what this person did was put the wig over my head and just cut along my hairline. That's how she did it. But if you want to cut it yourself, all you need to do is take scissors and just cut as close to the hair as possible, like along here. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is going to camouflage with your skin. So this is how my wig is in the front. Okay, so you put your wig cap on, take your wig, and also if you look inside of the wig, there's a strap. This is strap inside of the wig, so you just put it to where you want to put it. Like me, I usually put it right in the middle, right there. This just makes it tighter on your head. Okay, and then there's a little, I don't know what to call this, a clip, so you can insert it in your hair. This is the back part. They have on this side, this is the side, both sides. So they have in the back and the sides. Okay, so that's what the wig looks like. The inside of the wig. Okay, so now once you get your lace section cut off, so you need to just put it on Adjust the strap where you want it. Just put it over your head. You put it down. Okay. The pin, I don't usually use the pin, or not the pin, sorry, the clip inside of it, because I find that it pulls on my hair. So you can do that if you want to secure the wig on your head, but I make sure that the strap on the back is tight enough to hold the wig down on my head and doesn't come off. So that's how I do mine. And then you just pull it up a little bit like that. And that's it. It's done, that's it. That's how you put on your lace front wig. You see the lace, you can't really see it because it's camouflaged to my skin. What I know that some people do, they get makeup and they just put it where the lace is, like right there, to camouflage it, or even in here too, to make it blend with your skin tone, so it look like your scalp right in there. So yeah, so this is it. This here is very, very soft, but I find that it's really, really tangly. It's hard to detangle. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But besides that, the hair is nice. I like it. I like the color. That's it. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my video. Leave a comment below to let me know what you think, and then I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.